Hello children, how are you my little stars today? Fine? Great. Children, today we will read the lesson 15, Yes We Can, of your English Rainbow book of class 6th. Before proceeding, I will ask few questions. Do you like to play games? Yes, I know it. Every child likes to play game. Can you tell me the names of games you play? We can make a short list of it. Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, chess, Ludo, snakes and ladders, skipping and many more. You like to play many games. Children, have you ever participated in any sport or game in a sport rally or an event held in your school? क्या आपने कभी किसी इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया है? How was the experience? Was it good? Yes, I know it. Participation is always important. Participation is more than important than winning. Let us come on to the slide. Thought of the day: always bring your own sunshine. Children, whatever you are doing, bring your radiance, cheerfulness and enthusiasm, because this is your power. Clear children? Whatever the weather, whatever the conditions are, you go and always bring your own sunshine. Playing games, when you are playing in a game or participating in any kind of extracurricular activity, it plays an important role in the personality development. It also tells you how to develop, to control emotions, how to develop patience in yourself. So children, do you know there are many sports awards in India given to the sports person who have given outstandingly in any of their sports, like Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. It is the highest award and is given to the sports person who has distinguished in his field. Children, there are other many awards like Dronacharya Award, which is given to the coaches, Arjuna Award, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Award and many more. So children, let us move on to our slide. What are indoor games? The games we play inside our house are indoor games. Example: chess, Ludo, snakes and ladder, hide and seek, musical chairs, Antakshari, etc. Outdoor games, the games we play outside the house in an open area or in a playground. So that is called outdoor games, like basketball, baseball, soccer, tennis, golf, football, volleyball, running, swimming, etc. Children, do you know soccer and football are the name of the same game? They are having the same rules. It is only the difference that football is called as in North America and in United States it is known as soccer game. Let us move on to the next slide. Here we will find the names of games and sports in the crossword as given below. Children, you have been given few of the words. You have to find these words into this crossword. Hockey, baseball, football, volleyball, basketball, swimming, running, tennis, golf and soccer. So children, now you can open your books. It is on 54 page of your book. I have given the names of the sports. Only difference is this one. So this is called basketball, when you throw a ball in a basket. This is called tennis, when you are playing with a racket and a ball. Volleyball, this is called volleyball. Swimming, तैरना आप जानते हैं. Running मतलब दौड़ना. Football, फुटबॉल में फुट से हम बॉल को पुश करते हैं. Hockey, this is hockey stick and you play it with the ball. Golf, you need a big playground to play this game. Now let us try to find out the word in the crossword. How we will find it? I have told you earlier that whenever you have to find, you have to focus on the word. First letter you have to check first letter is H. Like if we are taking hockey word, first letter is H, and in this crossword we will find at least 5 times H letter. So what we will do, we will check how the other remaining letters are there. If they are there following it, then your crossword, your word will be searched out. Like here I have HO but not CKEY, but here I have HOCKEY, that means hockey. So here it is hockey, you can find it out. So next time we will find out the baseball. Baseball, I will do it for you. I have told you earlier how to find it out. Now this time I will let you know how to do it. Again we have to see BASEBALL. First of all we will check B, and then following the same with the letters in the same word. So this is baseball. Children, now you have to next tell me where is the football. I am counting on you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is football just above the baseball. Next is volleyball. Children, try to check it out where the volleyball is. Okay, let me help you out. Where is V? Here is V and volleyball. It completes the word. Now basketball. Here it is basketball. Next is you have to find swimming. So children, where is swimming written? Here you will find swimming. Clear? Next is running. Where you will find running? Here it is running in the just last of the crossword. Tennis. Where you will find tennis? Start from T. First of all find the letter T, then follow it. Then golf. Golf, where it is golf? Here is written the golf. Now last one is soccer. So soccer is here. Clear, children? Let us move on to the next slide. Now as you know, our chapter is Yes We Can. So we have to bring a poem for you, so that we should find out what we can or what we cannot. So let us start the poem. Children, are you ready? Let us recite it together. 1, 2. 1, 2. Little boys, little girls, can you stand? Yes we can, yes we can stand. Children, you have to recite it with me. Little boys, little girls, can we stand? Yes we can stand. 1, 2. 1, 2. Little boys, little girls, can you jump? Yes we can jump. 1, 2. 1, 2. Little boys, little girls, can we jump? Yes we can jump. 2. 1, 2. Little boys, little girls, can you sit? Yes we can sit. 1, 1, 2. Little boys, little girls, can we sit? Yes we can sit. 1, 2. Little boys, little girls, can you dance? Yes we can dance. Little boys, little girls, can we dance? Yes we can dance. Little boys, little girls, can you sing? Yes we can sing. Little boys, little girls, can we sing? Yes we can sing. Little boys, little girls, can you fly? No, we can't. No, we can't. We can't fly. Little boys, little girls, can you fly? No, we can't. No, we can't. We can't fly. Did you like it? Was it good? Did you enjoy it? Good. Give a good clap for yourself. Now, let us move on to the next slide. Here we will do picture description. As you know, our chapter name is Yes We Can. What do you mean by picture description? Here we will find out a picture in the lesson and we will try to assume the content of the lesson by observation method. So children, we have 3 questions here. Who are in the picture? Picture में कौन कौन हैं? Where are they? वो सब कहाँ हैं? What are they doing? वो क्या कर रहे हैं? So what we find? Who are in the picture? First of all, हम बताएंगे कि कौन पिक्चर में दिख रहा है. We are finding 5 students in the picture. हम समझ सकते हैं कि ये 5 बच्चे हैं जो पिक्चर में हैं और ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं क्योंकि इन्होंने यूनिफॉर्म पहनी है. One teacher is there, which is who is pointing some helper. One helper is also there to organize the poster accordingly. 5 children are totally there. One of the picture is of Arunima Sinha, which the girl is thinking about. So this is the who are in the picture. Where are they? They are in the school. You can very well notice Uch Prathmik Vidyalaya sports rally. There is going to some sports rally held. So that's why they are fixing some poster. So what are they doing? What are they doing? Teacher is letting the helper to fix the poster properly. 2 children are simply watching it. Other one is going towards the gate or somewhere else. The 2 girls who are sitting on the bench are, I think they are the characters because everything behind them looks like a background. This one girl, she is little bit upset. She is looking little bit upset and she has worn only one shoe. In the other leg she has got some injury and I think she has wrapped some bandage on this. So and the other girl, what she is trying to do? She is trying to console the girl and she has kept her hand on her shoulder and she is trying to inspire her. I think she must be inspiring her by the story of Arunima Sinha, which she is imagining in her mind. So children, this was picture description, and from picture description we will find out, we will assume out what the content of the subject may be. So let us now move to Yes We Can. Children, what you have to do? I will do the loud reading. You have to take care of the pronunciation and new words. We will focus on them. So yes we can. Veena, first of all I will read it out for you. Veena and Shalu are good friends. Both are excited to take part in a sports rally which is going to be held at school in the next month. Veena is a good badminton player, whereas Shalu is good at racing. Shalu is a bit upset because she has a leg injury, which is the cause of worry for her performance in the upcoming event. Veena, why are you upset? Shalu, Veena, I want to participate in the sports rally, but due to injury in my leg, I am not confident whether I will be able to take part in it or not. So students, this was the reading. Now we will, I will give you the line by line Hindi meaning, and we will also address few more things like word meanings and the difficult words in this. Veena and Shalu are good friends. Veena और Shalu अच्छी दोस्त हैं। फ्रेंड्स का मतलब क्या है? दोस्त। फ्रेंड्स की स्पेलिंग देखेंगे FRIENDS। बोथ आर एक्साइटेड टू टेक पार्ट इन अ स्पोर्ट्स रैली। वो दोनों स्पोर्ट्स रैली में भाग लेने के लिए उत्साहित हैं। एक्साइटेड माने उत्साहित, EXCITED, एक्साइटेड, उत्साहित हैं। टेक पार्ट मतलब भाग लेना। विच इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड एट स्कूल इन द नेक्स्ट मंथ, जो कि अगले महीने स्कूल में आयोजित होने वाली है। हेल्ड का मतलब है आयोजित होने वाली है। वीना इज अ गुड बैडमिंटन प्लेयर। स्पेलिंग देखेंगे BADMINTON। वीना जो है वो गुड बैडमिंटन प्लेयर है, जबकि शालू इज गुड एट रेसिंग। शालू जो है वो रेसिंग में बहुत अच्छी है, दौड़ में अच्छी है। शालू इज अ बिट अपसेट। शालू थोड़ी उदास है। बिट का मतलब थोड़ी, अपसेट मतलब उदास, UPSET, अपसेट। बिकॉज शी हैज अ लेग इंजरी, क्योंकि उसकी टांग में चोट लगी है। विच इज द कॉज ऑफ वरी फॉर हर परफॉर्मेंस इन द अपकमिंग इवेंट, जो कि कॉज, CAUSE, कॉज माने कारण है, ऑफ वरी, वरी माने चिंता, चिंता का कारण है, फॉर हर परफॉर्मेंस, परफॉर्मेंस मतलब प्रदर्शन, इन द अपकमिंग, अपकमिंग मतलब आगामी, UPCOMING, अपकमिंग इवेंट। अपकमिंग इवेंट में अगली जो आगामी प्रतिस्पर्धा में प्रदर्शन की चिंता का कारण है। आइए थोड़े से वर्ड मीनिंग को भी साथ में देखें। फ्रेंड्स हम देख चुके हैं। एक्साइटेड, प्लेयर, परफॉर्मेंस, परफॉर्मेंस का मतलब प्रदर्शन, इंजरी का मतलब चोट, पार्टिसिपेट मतलब भाग लेना, अपकमिंग मतलब आगामी। वीना, व्हाई आर यू अपसेट? तुम अपसेट क्यों हो? शालू, वीना, आई वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द स्पोर्ट्स रैली, बट ड्यू टू इंजरी इन माई लेग आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट। वीना, मैं स्पोर्ट्स रैली में भाग लेना चाहती हूँ, परंतु ड्यू टू इंजरी, परंतु मेरी टांग में चोट लगने के कारण मुझे विश्वास नहीं है। कॉन्फिडेंट, CONFIDENT, कॉन्फिडेंट मतलब विश्वास नहीं है, वेदर आई विल बी एबल टू टेक पार्ट इन इट और नॉट, कि मैं इसमें भाग ले भी पाऊंगी या नहीं। तो अब दोनों की बातें सुनी है आपने। अब आगे देखिए वीना उसे कैसे समझाती है। वीना, डियर फ्रेंड, डोंट बी अपसेट, हैव यू नॉट हर्ड द नेम ऑफ अरुणिमा सिन्हा, द फेमस माउंटेनियर? तो बच्चों मैं आपको पूरा पढ़ के सुनाऊं पहले। शालू, आई हैवंट, हु इज शी? वीना, शी इज अ नेशनल लेवल वॉलीबॉल प्लेयर, शी वॉज पुश्ड आउट फ्रॉम अ रनिंग ट्रेन बाय सम रॉबर्स, शी वॉज बैडली इंजर्ड, so one of her leg was amputated. Shalu, oh, it is sad. Veena, in spite of this, she climbed the world's highest peaks and made us proud. So let us do line by line Hindi meaning. Veena, प्यारी मित्र, dear friend, प्यारी मित्र, upset मत हो, दुखी मत हो. Have you not heard the? क्या तुमने heard, 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 heard का मतलब सुना. ये हमारा पास्ट टेंस है, हमारी प्रेजेंट जो फॉर्म है हमारी उसका, वो कौन सी है हमारी प्रेजेंट फॉर्म? हियर. हियर का पास्ट हमारा जो है वो हर्ड होता है. हियर का मतलब सुनना, हर्ड का मतलब सुना. क्या तुमने अरुणिमा सिन्हा का नाम सुना है? द फेमस माउंटेनियर, जो बहुत प्रसिद्ध, फेमस माने प्रसिद्ध, FAMOUS, फेमस, प्रसिद्ध पर्वतारोही हैं. शालू, आई हैव नॉट, मैंने नहीं सुना. हु इज शी, वो कौन है? वीना, शी इज अ नेशनल लेवल वॉलीबॉल प्लेयर, वह नेशनल लेवल, वह राष्ट्रीय स्तर, नेशनल माने राष्ट्रीय, NATIONAL, राष्ट्रीय स्तर की जो है वो वॉलीबॉल प्लेयर हैं. शी वॉज पुश्ड, उन्हें पुश किया गया था. पुश्ड माने ये पुश हमारा जो हमारी प्रेजेंट हमारी जो फॉर्म होती है प्रेजेंट, उसका हमारा जो यहाँ पे क्या है वो उसका सेकंड फॉर्म है, यानी पास्ट फॉर्म है. पुश्ड, ED लगा के हमने इसे पुश्ड बनाया. पुश का मतलब धकेलना, पुश्ड का मतलब धकेला, तो उसे धकेला गया. शी वॉज पुश्ड, उसे धकेला गया. आउट फ्रॉम अ रनिंग ट्रेन, उसे रनिंग ट्रेन से, भागती हुई चलती हुई गाड़ी से उसे नीचे गिराया गया. बाय सम रॉबर्स, कुछ लुटेरों के द्वारा, उसे कुछ लुटेरों के द्वारा चलती हुई गाड़ी से नीचे गिराया गया। रॉबर्स माने लुटेरे, ROBBERS। शी वॉज बैडली इंजर्ड, वह घायल हो चुकी थी। सो वन ऑफ हर लेग वॉज एम्प्यूटेटेड, इसीलिए उनकी एक टांग जो है एम्प्यूटेटेड। जब किसी अंग को काटते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं एम्पूटेटेड, AMPUTATED, ठीक है। तो शी वॉज बैड, वह बहुत घायल हो चुकी थी, इसीलिए उनकी एक टांग को काटना पड़ा। शालू, ओह इट इज सैड, यह बहुत बुरा हुआ। वीना, इन स्पाइट ऑफ दिस, इसके बावजूद शी क्लाइम्ब द वर्ल्ड्स हाईएस्ट पीक्स एंड मेड अस प्राउड। इसके बावजूद वह क्लाइम्ड, CLIMBED, आप देख रहे हैं ये आपका फिर से पास्ट टेंस आया है, और ये किसका वो पास्ट टेंस है, क्लाइंब वर्ड का। क्लाइंब का मतलब चढ़ना, क्लाइंब का मतलब चढ़ी। वह वर्ल्ड की हाईएस्ट, सबसे ऊंची चोटियों पर चढ़ी और उन्होंने हमें प्राउड फील कराया। आइए वर्ड मीनिंग्स देखें। अपसेट मतलब उदास, इंजर्ड का मतलब घायल, हाईएस्ट का मतलब ऊंची, प्राउड का मतलब गर्व। नाउ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। तो बच्चों, हु वर गुड फ्रेंड्स? वीना एंड शालू वर गुड फ्रेंड्स। व्हाई बोथ वर एक्साइटेड? बोथ वर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज they were going to take part in sports rally. Which event was going to be held in the school? School में कौन सी event होने वाली थी? Sports rally was going to be held in the school. Why was Shalu upset? Shalu क्यों upset थी? Shalu was upset because she had a leg injury. Who inspired Shalu to take part in the sports rally and how? Veena inspired Shalu to take part in the sports rally by telling her the inspirational story. Inspirational stories बताई उसने about the sports person. बच्चों, आप ये भी जानते हैं अरुणिमा सिन्हा, जब वो एक टांग पर, उनके पास एक ही टांग थी, उसके बावजूद वो माउंटेन की पीक्स पर पहुंच चुकी थी। तो ये स्टोरी बताकर वीना ने इंस्पायर किया शालू को, क्योंकि वह परेशान थी कि उसके पास उसके पैरों में चोट लगी है। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमें अपने आप से हिम्मत बंधानी खुद भी चाहिए होती है। सो वीना इंस्पायर्ड शालू टू टेक पार्ट इन द स्पोर्ट्स रैली बाय टेलिंग हर द इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन। बच्चों, वी ऑल हैव एबिलिटी, दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस इज हाउ वी डू इट और हाउ वी यूज द ability in us. And you must be knowing there is Bharat Kumar, he is also a para swimmer. Now give short answers for questions below. Hint: yes I can, no I can't. Now you have to fill the answers by yes I can or either by no I can't. Can you cook? I can cook. You can cook. If you cook, you can write yes I can. Can you fly? No I can't. You can write no I can't. Can you play? Yes I can play. Can you swim? No I can't. I can't swim. Can you run? Yes I can run. So children, now you have understood the use of can and can't. Write T for true and F for false statement. शालू इज गुड एट रेसिंग। शालू जो है वो दौड़ में अच्छी थी। क्या यह बात सही है? बिल्कुल सही है। तो हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? ट्रू। वीना इज अ गुड बैडमिंटन प्लेयर। वीना इज अ गुड बैडमिंटन प्लेयर, दिस इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट। अरुणिमा सिन्हा इज अ बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर। नो, शी वॉज अ वॉलीबॉल प्लेयर, सो दिस इज फॉल्स। नेक्स्ट, Bharat Kumar is a para swimmer. I have told you Bharat Kumar is a para swimmer. So this is true. We all have special qualities. True. I have told you that we all have ability and we have all special quality. The difference is only how to use it. Write short answers for the questions given below. Can a crow fly? Can a crow fly? Yes, it can. Can a dog ride a bicycle? डॉग क्या बाइसिकल को राइड कर सकता है? ओनली इन द सर्कस, अदरवाइज इट कैन नॉट राइड अ बाइसिकल। कैन अ रैट रन? यस इट कैन। कैन अ मंकी स्विंग? क्या मंकी स्विंग कर सकता है? आपने देखा होगा मंकी एक ब्रांच से ही जस्ट जम्प्स फ्रॉम वन ब्रांच टू अनदर एंड ही ऑल्सो टेक्स स्विंग्स ऑन द ब्रांचेस। सो कैन अ मंकी स्विंग? यस इट कैन। कैन अ कैट स्विम? No, it can't. It can't swim. Who can swim? Fish. Can a fox fly? No, it can't. Fox can only run or walk. Can a frog hop? Yes, it can. Can a elephant stomp? Yes, elephant can stomp. What is stomp? You have to do it like this. Can a buffalo climb? क्या buffalo चढ़ सकती है पेड़ पर? No, buffalo can't climb. No, it can't. Can a gorilla climb? Yes, gorilla can climb. So children, now again we have done the exercise of using can and can't. Now, which of these actions can you do? Circle the words. आप जो आपको words दिए गए हैं, you have been provided with the list of words and you have to encircle them whatever the activity you are able to do. Swim. I can swim, so I am feeling it. Yes, I can swim. Run. I can run. Drive. I can drive car, but I think you don't. I can't drive car. I think you also can't drive car. So drive is, there is no circle on drive. Next, can you eat? Yes, I can eat. You can eat. Can you talk? Yes, we can talk. Can you bake? Can you bake? No, you can't bake. You can't make food in the oven or the microwave. I hope so. If you can bake, you can circle it. Now jump. Can you jump? Yes, we have already jumped here. Laugh. Can you laugh? Yes, I can also laugh. Sing. Can you sing? Yes, I can sing. Read. Can you read? Yes, we are reading. Who can do what? Color the boxes. You have been given 6 pictures and we will find out who can do what. Baby. Baby can cry? Yes, baby can cry. Do baby crawl? क्या बच्चे चलते हैं, crawl करते हैं? What is crawl? To move slowly on the, just on the surface, with on your body. Fly. What is, can a baby fly? No, it cannot fly. Can a baby laugh? Yes, baby can laugh. Fish. Fly. Fish can fly? No, fish can't fly. So what do fish do? Can do? Fish can drink. Can fish write? No. Yes, now you have understood the concept. Now you are trying to answer these and you are giving the answers correctly. Swim. Can a fish swim? Yes, fish can swim. Now the next is rabbit. Can rabbit talk? No, rabbit can't talk, so that's why they have not colored it. Can rabbit hop? Yes, rabbit can hop. Can rabbit eat? Yes. Can rabbit run? Yes. Monkey can climb. Now you can very well understand, monkey can read, monkey can jump, monkey can eat. Bird can crawl, bird can't crawl, bird can fly, bird can read, no, can't read, bird can hop. Dog can sleep, bark, run, but not ride. Let us move on to the next slide. Change the following verbs to their present form. ये मैंने आपको बताया था, ये आपकी past form है, ये आपकी present form है. Heard का आपकी past form है, तो here pushed का push, climbed का climb, worked का work, had का has. Here are the sentences about the stories, but the words have been jumbled, so you have to make them correct. Be this the should spirit, this should be the spirit. Okay, R and Veena, Shalu good friends, Veena and Shalu are good friends. Upset you are why you are upset. Volleyball in national is player she level, she is a national level volleyball player. Rally, I too want sports in participate. I want to participate in rally. Now home assignment. Write 5 lines on the game or sport you play. Have you ever participated in any event or in the sports rally held in your school? Write your experience. Maybe you must be in organizing committee or maybe in the prize distribution committee. Maybe you have participated, so write it. Learn names of games and sports. Now conclusion. Today we learned the various kinds of games and sports, use of can and can't, the message conveyed by the lesson, yes we can. So we will conclude this lesson in the next session also. So thank you children. You have to take care of yourself, do your homework, stay safe and stay healthy.
प्यारे बच्चों, नमस्कार।